This Brightline construction update looks at the progress at the Loxahatchee River Drawbridge. The Loxahatchee River Drawbridge, also known as the Jupiter Drawbridge, is located in Jupiter, Florida. Since my last visit, all of the spans for the new second track are now installed, with the final span being placed in mid-December. With all of the spans in place, work is shifting from major construction to adding the finishing touches. This includes installing the track and walkways, and removing some of the temporary support work that was in place to assist with the construction. On the north side, additional access has been added to assist with the site demobilization. The old bridge tender building and support structures have been removed, with their tasks shifted over to the new building so the new second main line can be built in their place. A new cantilever signal has also been erected on the north side. There are still 4 cranes on site, but that number should decrease soon. The span with the raised sides provides increased clearance, so more boats can pass under the bridge even when the bascule span is lowered. Work is also now underway to start building the second track across the second half of the bridge. The track crew from Gonzalez & Sons can be seen at work here. Ties have also been laid to the south of the bridge in preparation for the rail to be threaded and built around the curve south towards Center Street. This bridge is almost completely new, with only a few parts being reused from the old bridge here. Here's a bit of a zoomed in look at the new bridge. You can see the track crew spiking the rail into place. In total, this bridge is 583 feet long. Track construction north of the bridge, connecting to the Riverside Drive crossing, should begin in the coming weeks. Over the coming months, the new track will be put into service, and Scott Bridge Company, the contractor on this bridge, will begin the process of demobilizing the site. This includes disassembling some of the barges that were assembled specifically for the requirements of this project.